Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix messages could not be sent error on your Facebook Messenger. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. If you're unable to send messages on your messenger, and in order to fix it, there are several methods. So I'm going to be showing you a different method on how you can fix it. So then the main reason could be your internet connection. If you have unstable internet connection, then it might be one of the reasons why you're unable to send messages on messenger. So in order to check your internet connection, what you'll have to do is you need to head over to your settings application. After that, click on network and internet, and on this interface make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Likewise, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, then you can switch over to a mobile data for some time, and similarly if you're on your mobile data, then you can switch over to mobile data. Once you've done this, you might be able to fix it, or else what you can do is you can turn off your mobile data or your Wi-Fi for 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data. This might be able to fix your issue. After checking your internet connection, if you're still unable to fix it, then make sure the message that you're sending is not to a blocked contact. For example, if you blocked a certain contact on your Facebook Messenger, then you'll not be able to message, or the message won't be delivered. So in order to check whether the contact is in a blocked list or not, what you need to do is you need to click on the tab bar icon located in the top left corner of your screen. After that, click on the gear icon. Once you click on the gear icon, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you need to click on account settings. After that, you'll be taken to the settings page. Under settings, there are multiple sections, so you need to scroll down a bit and head over to the section that is privacy, and under privacy click on blocking. And once you click on block, right over here you'll be able to see the users or the contact that you've blocked on Facebook Messenger. In order to unblock it, click on the unblock icon right in the corner. After that, you'll be able to unblock it, and also you'll be able to send message to this particular contact. And after done this procedure, the step number 3 is make sure to disable or enable your VPN. For example, if you've turned on your VPN, then you can turn it off, and likewise if you've turned off, then you can turn it on and try sending a message to a following contact. What else you can do is you can simply close the background application just like that, and basically this is going to refresh all your application, and try sending the message to a following contact, and you might be able to send a message. If none of these seems to be working, you can also clear cache as well as data for your messenger application. In order to clear cache and storage, long press on your messenger application, click on the app info icon, and the next interface click on storage and cache. Next interface click on clear cache, and keeping in mind that if you click on clear storage, your data will be deleted, which means that you'll need to log in once again. After you've done this, next you need to enable all of these permissions. If you haven't enabled any of these permissions, then it might be one of the reasons why you're unable to send messages. And right over here, make sure that all of these features are enabled or turned on. Despite of doing all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can also check for an update. To check for an update, head over to your Play Store, and then on the search box type in Messenger. Instead of open, if you see update, which means that the update is available, and you need to update the application for the latest features. And updating the application might be able to solve your issue all at once. If not, then you can simply delete the application or uninstall the application and then reinstall it and log in into your messenger application. This might be able to fix your issue. So these were the steps on how you can fix messages could not be sent error on your Facebook Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and also comment down below. Also consider subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.